In this Argos support video, we will show you some lesser-known tips and tricks for your iPhone. How to screen share in Facetime. Before you begin, make sure both you and the other participant are using iOS 26 or later. To start screen sharing, open the Facetime app on your iPhone. Begin a one-to-one Facetime call. During the call, tap the More button. Tap Screen Sharing, tap Share My Screen. A countdown from 3 to 1 will appear before screen sharing begins. To view the other person's screen, tap Ask to Share Screen. Where supported, this may also allow you to request remote control of their device. While screen sharing in a one-to-one call, the other participant can tap, draw, or write on your screen to highlight a specific area. These markings will fade after a few seconds. To stop sharing your screen, select Stop. Screen sharing will also end automatically when the call finishes. Scanning and signing documents using notes and files. Open Notes and either select an existing note or create a new one. Tap the Attachment button, then tap Scan Documents. Position your document within the camera view. If your device is in auto mode, the document will scan automatically. If you prefer to scan manually, tap the Shutter button or press one of the volume buttons, then tap Keep Scan. You can add additional pages if needed, or tap Save to finish. Next, we'll show you how to sign a document in Notes. Open Notes and tap the scanned document within your note. Tap Markup and select a drawing tool. Then sign the document using your finger or an Apple Pencil on a compatible iPad. Finally, we'll show you how to display the battery percentage on your iPhone. This makes it easier to see exactly how much battery charge you have at a glance. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Battery. From here, turn on Battery Percentage. On iPhone models with Face ID, the battery percentage will now appear inside the battery icon in the status bar at the top of the screen. This provides a quick and convenient way to keep track of your battery throughout the day. For further support and guidance, please visit argos-support.co.uk.